This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump cuts. A jump cut is a rapid, deliberate transition between two shots, usually within the same scene or from the same camera angle. This technique effectively removes any pauses, stumbles, or moments of inactivity from your footage. Done correctly, it significantly tightens your narrative, making your content feel much more dynamic and engaging for your audience, keeping their attention focused. Consider using jump cuts when you need to condense time, such as cutting from the start of an action to its completion. They are perfect for tutorial videos where you want to skip repetitive steps, moving directly to the next point. If a speaker is rambling or has too many ums or ahs, jump cuts will make their delivery more concise. These cuts keep the energy high, preventing viewers from losing interest during slower moments. One common mistake is using too many jump cuts, creating a chaotic and unprofessional look. Every cut needs a reason. Another is cutting mid-sentence or mid-action, which often feels unnatural and abrupt to the audience. Always maintain consistent audio levels and background elements across your cuts, so the transition isn't just visual but also auditory. A poorly executed jump cut can distract rather than enhance your viewer's experience. To make your jump cut smoother, try slightly reframing your shot by about 20 degrees or zooming in or out a small amount, perhaps by 10%, on the second clip. This subtle change helps trick the eye, making the cut feel less like a mistake and more intentional. You can also strategically overlay a brief sound effect or a quick graphic element for 1 to 2 frames. These small adjustments can dramatically improve the professional polish of your video edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.